birthday, pal.
Is this going on YouTube? Yeah.
Good morning, YouTube. It's a nice little job we're starting this morning. Monday. It's a spare field at a school in Bingley, Peacefield School. You can see where I am, like I'm in the woods. I've actually got this little digger here. You can see this concrete fence outside of us is coming down. I've just literally cleared a path through here, look, that you can see. We've got to make us way through there. Getting all nice new 2.4 twin wire. And all this is coming down, we're taking it away. The neighbours here have been really good with us, which is good. So yeah, it's a nice interesting one for us to crack on with, and we'll get some footage as we're going along.
Good morning. So one of them days, Monday, Jamie says it's an easy job for him today. He's going to have it done today. We've got Mark here. Take control of that digger while he was getting it over here. At least if aught goes wrong, we can always blame him. Well, this is what's going on. We're going to be clearing all this out today. It's 2.4 metre high twin that's going up with a clamp bar system. Mark's just making a bit of a path now for us to get through, because they did have it cut back 4 weeks ago, but with how it's been, it's literally just overgrown again. Just going to wait for the chainsaw now, get chainsaw on it, coming up with it. But yeah, it's going to be a busy week, but we'll see you later and we'll keep you updated. So it's been one of them days where you kind of don't know what's going on until you get through it, but we're getting through it now, and let's give you a show. Today we've been taking these concrete bays out. We're going to have to keep the bottom ones in just because their ground level for this drive is actually higher than the other side. So we've had digger out today, we've cleared all this, made a little pathway through. Jamie's just cutting one down now. So what we're going to do is that stuff up top, what you just seen Jamie cutting, we're going to get that on one van. I'm going to take that, dispose of it, come back, and then this point here, I'm going to get this corner out, hopefully get to there by end of day. But there's still a fair bit more to do yet. Goes all the way down there. So another day clearance before we can start installing any fence. And then around the other side they're going to have crank posts with 2.4 twin it'll be. Pretty sure it's 2.4 they're getting, it might be 2. But once we're done, it'll look nice. The line's a bit bit all over the place. And we'll get that done. But yeah, it'll look a lot different tomorrow, let's put it that way. Morning. So we're over in Bingley again today, just finishing off the school. Well, not finishing, it's going to take us until end of week. I were a bit later this morning, lads, so they already got a couple of panels in, and hopefully we're done for Friday. But it's going to be pushing it with this job, pushing it a bit. A little look. So obviously what we've done here is just because the tree were in the way, so they're actually 2 metre twin wire panels, and then when it steps down, as soon as you get to this panel here, it's 2/4, and if you have a look, the 2 metre and the 2/4 line up lovely. There's going to be a lot of steps in this work just because we're working on such uneven ground, but we're going to crack on this afternoon. Hopefully we can get down here, and then I reckon just before we leave this afternoon, we will take some more of these concrete bays out. As you can see, we've already got some on my van. We'll take some more of these out, take as many as we can, get that tipped off this afternoon. Still quite a lot to take out though. It's not a bad day for fencing though, if you look at that lovely blue sky. Not a bad day at all. All we need now is a couple of foxes and squirrels to come take our attention away for 5 minutes. Yeah, it's about to have a nap. We will see you later, and we'll keep you updated.
Where'd you get those muscles?
I've created my own workout routine that's giving me amazing results. Whoops.
We're in early this morning, so we've been doing a bit of a stock take and stuff like that. You can tell we've got quite a bit of stock in, but been doing a stock take this morning because we've had to order loads more of some upcoming jobs we've got, various schools, and then Of course, I'll just get out of song, so I'm squinting a bit there. Of course, then the school summer holidays will be coming up soon, and I've already got 3 jobs booked in already for the school summer holidays. So yeah, quite a busy period for us coming up. Make sure we've got enough, and that's obviously, you can see some behind us here, and that's not even without any fencing sales that we do as well. Hard work keeping up to everything at a minute, but we'll keep plodding on, and we'll catch you later.